This video is to demonstrate how to upload tax information into ReEmployME in order to determine benefits for pandemic unemployment assistance. Please note that self-employed individuals whose net profit or other PUA recipients whose gross wages were below $15,224 will continue to receive the minimum benefit of $172 per week and do not need to upload any information. Once you go to ReEmployME and you log in with your username and password, this will be the landing page that you will come to. What you need to do is go over to the right-hand side where it says Provide PUA Proof of Earnings. So once you select that, it will bring up your name, the last four of your social. If your net profit or loss for 2019 was below $15,224, you do not need to submit additional information. If you are above that amount, then what you want to do is click on Provide Proof of Earnings for tax year 2019. If you are self-employed, you will select Yes. If you were not self-employed but your wages were exempted for unemployment, you will select No. We'll select Yes in this case. If you had selected No, you would receive something similar where it would ask for your employer's name and your employer's address. This is where you put the name of your own company if you were self-employed. And then you'll select Next. This will bring you to the screen where you are going to enter what was for that one particular employer or that one business that you owned. And if you owned multiple, you will do this multiple times. So say that you file on a Schedule C because you're a sole proprietor, you're going to enter what is on line 31 for calculating benefits. So if that line 31 said that you made $35,000, you'll enter that right here. And then you'll select Next. The next step is we want to see the Schedule C and your Form 1040. So you'll go to Browse. And this will bring you to your documents where you are currently saving your tax information. You'll select Open. And right here is going to show you that first document that you saved. If you own multiple businesses, you will be able to do this multiple times. So you'll select Next. And it gives you that same message down here. This is showing the document that you uploaded for your company ABC and what was on your line 31 of your Schedule C. So if you own multiple businesses and file more than one schedule, you must upload each schedule separately, providing net profit or loss for each business. You can add proof of earnings for an additional employer by submitting that information. You'll select Submit. And this is showing that you successfully uploaded your information. So if you need to add for an additional employer or for additional businesses that you owned, you would select this Add Proof of Earnings to add an additional employer or your own business. So you would just continue to follow those same steps. So you would go Next, Yes. And for this business, you had a net profit of $2,000. And again, you're going to hit Browse and go to the place where you saved that document. Select Next and go to Submit. If you want to go back and review what you have provided, you can hit View Provide Proof of Earnings. And if you click on these View, it will bring up the document that you have uploaded. Once you've completed all that and you've verified that you've submitted proof of earnings for each of your businesses and your employer, you will hit Home. The information will be reviewed by a customer service representative within the next several weeks, and you will receive a determination in the mail of what your increased benefit is or what your benefit will continue to be. And if we didn't receive what we needed for information, you will receive correspondence that explains what is needed further. We are looking for your 2019 federal tax return in your appropriate schedule or W-2 associated if you had W-2 employment.